guys, welcome back to my channel. I got my nails done, but today I'm going to be making a white fluffy slime. Sorry about the lighting, it's not that good, but yeah, I'm over here because I have to juice a little bit of stuff. So I'm over here and I have my green boat. I actually do have white glue. On my last video, I said that I was going to do the clear glue one. I didn't get to because something happened and yeah. So, I got my bowl. I'm going to be adding some shaving foam, some powder, baby powder, lotion, conditioner and shampoo. And then I'll show you the other stuff when I get over there. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to do the shampoo. So I'm going to show you the shampoo and add some lotion. And add some conditioner. Some shampoo. But it's a little bit blue. Okay. So it's already been 3 minutes. Okay. So now I'm gonna go take this over there, and then I'll be right back for y'all. Okay. I do have a little bit of baby powder. But it's okay. Okay, so going in here. I'm gonna go get my mixing utensils and stuff. So just gonna place you right here, and I'll be right back. Okay, we've got some water. And I got a fork just because it mixes easier. And I'm gonna put in my headphones. Sorry, my mom's watching a movie, so it's okay. it's like tangled up. So I have some plastic wrap on the bottom there, and yeah, it bothers me too. Okay, so this is how it looks, and yeah, so I'm back in the same place like last time, so you're not going to be seeing me, you're only going to be seeing the slime, and I'm just going to mix this up because, yeah, and it's going to be with like glue and like real activator. This was a glue bottle, but it's activated now. And then I have some of my clay stuff that I can add into it, and then some water. So, and then I have, sorry, oh, here it is. Then I have my Elmer's glue. Okay, so I'm just gonna keep mixing this until it turns into the substance that I want it to. Okay, I am gonna add just a tiny bit of water just to hallucinate it a little bit, you know, slow it down. Then I'm gonna add the clay into it. So I'll add like a little bit to see how it does, and then if it does pretty well and it mixes pretty good, then I'll add the rest of it. So we'll see. Gets stuck on your. It's okay. I'm just gonna add it to there. And I'm gonna try to keep the slime white. It's just because I like changing the color for some reason. Okay, so I'm just gonna add a little bit of Elmer's glue. I know my nail popped off, and then like I have all these, but it's okay. Okay. And I'm trying to open it. Okay. So I think that was about half or a little bit more, but it's okay because it'll work. So just add that in there. Try to keep the bowl steady, just so y'all can see it better. Mixed way too much. Okay, it's working. It's mixing. My hands. Oh, look at that. Great. And yes, I did have to paint them myself, so don't judge me. Okay, I suck at painting nails. So. Okay, there. And I don't know what else I would do with this glue. Probably do something else, you know, make another slime or something. Okay, so now I'm gonna start adding the activator and see how it goes. Focused crystals. Okay, that should be good. Pretty sure this will activate all the slime. This slime is quite big. So. Can you even hear me? Oh my god. Oh, okay. I'm digging in, I guess I would say. Well, I mean, it feels good. Okay. I'll take this off and I'll dump it on to this little green thing. Okay, so I need a little bit more activator. I think I added some crema. So, yeah, that looks really good. If you don't know what crema is, it's just cream. Or creamy, you know. It's a struggle, but I think it's worth it. Honestly, just saying. I have to get off my shirt because I got my shirt a little bit. Okay, so oh, I mean, I can't really poke it. Plus, if I add too much activator, it's okay because it'll be thick, and then it's okay because, oh my, I whacked it. And then it's okay because, I don't know if y'all can hear me, but it's also okay because I also have all that, and it's quite a bit, so gonna mix in. And then it's gonna get way more stickier, so it's okay if I overactivate it. And this video is already 13 minutes long. Wow. Okay, so I'm gonna add more activator to this. And then see what happens. Suppose in the way. It's nice and fluffy. I like this slime right now. It's like big and fluffy. Okay, I'm gonna add it into the bowl. Sorry, I was looking down, so I was going pretty slow. I don't know if this is boring. Comment down below if this is boring because I feel like it is. But again, I don't know how to edit it. So, I mean, if one of y'all want to teach me how to edit these videos so it won't be so long and so boring and so y'all won't see my outtakes, you know, that would be probably way better. Because I do have a lot of outtakes. Just saying. Oh, and like I said, I do film on my YouTube, so I don't know if you can edit from your YouTube or what. Again, I said, I don't know. Okay, so the bowl is literally clear. It's good, or kinda. And this one does great. So now I'm gonna like kind of pull this because there's some slime under. I want to make sure I get all the slime. Okay. Alright, you're ready. No. Well, that wasn't a fail at all. That was actually, I mean, for this to be this, just out of Elmer's glue and a little bit more stuff, that's pretty insane. I mean, that's good. Okay, well, this video is already 16 minutes, so I guess I'll see you, or let me flip it. Oh, okay, so since this video is already 60 minutes, about to be 17, I guess I'll see you guys later, and I think I'm gonna make another video with a different type of slime. So subscribe to my channel, like this video, and go comment what other video you want me to do. I'm sorry, my hands are so messy. And I'll do a video after the next video with the new slimes that I did, so I could show you this white slime more and the next slime that I do. So yeah, bye guys. It's already 17 minutes, so bye.